Let's talk about the universal section. This section, the difference between this section and the two sections above is that those two sections work whenever the imported FBX materials has already the texture plugged in. And what if we don't have any texture plugged in? Let's say for this example is the same material from Speedtree imported via the FBX importer, and as you can see there is nothing, there is no texture already plugged in. It happens a lot whenever you import an FBX and you just have the shaders and you don't have any texture plugged in. So, and you try to convert them using these two buttons, it's not gonna work because it needs the texture already plugged in. The way to go is to use these two buttons. The first one creates a subsurface scattering workflow, and the second one is we're gonna create a double-sided material for the leaves. You select the material and you hit the shade, double shade, and you choose the texture folder and you hit accept. And as you can see, it creates a shading network for the shading network for the leaf, or one type of the leaf, and all the texture are correctly plugged in. If you hit render, let's try another model. This model is from Maxtree website, amazing website who has a lot of vegetation. The only thing it's working exclusively inside 3ds Max. I exported the model as an FBX and I imported inside Houdini. As you can see, the materials has no inputs for the textures, so you can just select the material and hit double-sided. Select your correct texture folder and hit accept, and it's working. Yes. Let's try this first button with another model. Just frame the object, select the material node, double check that there is no texture plugged in, no textures. This model is from BigMediumSmall. Not working, why? We haven't. Hit shade and you select your texture folder, accept, render it, and boom, it's working. Those two buttons are still in beta. I'm trying to improve them whenever I can. And yeah,